Hey, what's up, y'all? Happy Thursday to you, man. Almost done with another week. So let's get to it, man. Urgent buys, urgent sales. Don't really have any, but got some good dividend stocks for us to buy, man. Y'all subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch my recent videos, share my channel. Also, get your pencil and paper, write down the stocks you want to buy, and do your thing. I give y'all all this game free. All I ask you to just subscribe, hit the like button, and watch my recent videos, but share the channel too, man. This only way it's going to be out the way the future is going. One thing about AI taking jobs and everything, if you learn how to trade in this market, you'll be all right. One thing about the market, with AI, robotics or not, the market will be open 5 days a week. You got to invest in these companies that are creating the AI and these robots that are going to be taking your jobs, like, because they are the future. Stuff like the Magnificent Seven, which is the top 7 stocks in the S&P 500. Those are definitely the ones that are investing heavily in AI. But let's get to it, man. All right, let's go get some cash flow. First, we're gonna do XLF, man. This is definitely one you gotta have. Trading at $51.18 right now. I'm gonna get some in my Roth. Whenever this thing want to catch up, here we go. This is my Roth position in it. I'm just gonna get $2 worth. I got this on the dollar day recurring. I buy it when it's down and pulling back. The lower my average cost. Think it's got a 52-week high of like $55 or something. Go back to my investing, my regular one. Go get your XLF because you get the top 10 of financial stocks in the stock market under that one umbrella. I done explained it to y'all before. I do it again later. I got it in my Cash App too. SVOL, this is the one, 30 cents a share a month. I done got like $10 worth for this today. I'm gonna go in and get another 10 when I'm online with y'all. I'll get another 5. I'm already below my average cost, so I got 16.36, so I'm in a good place. But that definitely trades around the $17.25 mark. We got earn 8 cents a share a month. Had bad earnings. Like it's on the way back up past the $5 mark. That's where it always plays and stays. I'm going in today at 487. Go get me some of that. 4.87. This also nice stock to hit a little swing trade on also. Especially when it go back to that like 525 range. But while you holding it, this got a 1-year estimate price of $6 a share. I'm at 498, so I'm trying to load up under the $5 mark. Had bad earnings but didn't cut his dividend. We're gonna go with SRLN. Got down to 39.90. It's got a dividend yield above 8%. Paid between 25-28 cents a share every month. We'll get you some of that if you're interested. ACHR, when I'm about to start swing trading, Arca Aviations. Down today to 640. We're at 648 right now. We'll get $10 more at this price here. I know I had a buy limit order at 651. Let me share that with y'all, so y'all don't think I'm leaving y'all in the wind. Just in case you want to do it sick, I got one at 640. And I got one at 6. I just brought some today. Man, come on to the end. All right, brought 5 shares at 660. Yesterday, this is the last week, it was up to like 748, 746. I got average cost right now at 708. That's why I say just trying to lower that average cost. I'm gonna get $50 more at 648. You want to bring that cost down. It got me at $7 now. Get 50 more, see what'll happen. So when they go back above that mark, I will be selling. All right, I'm at 693. Well, ARCA got down to the day 641. If it goes back down, I get another 5. That's a nice little loading zone. 52-week high, $14.62. So that's how I'm gonna play that one, because a lot of people swing trading it up and down. That's what they doing now with ARCA. With the stocks I follow, I notice it with that one, with Webull, ChargePoint, Robinhood, and SoFi. So you got to learn to trade the market you in. Clip pays 58 cents a share a month, between 58 and 68 cents. For February, did 58 cents. So definitely going to get some more of this. I done got some earlier today. I'm going to get another 10 at this price here. All right, bringing down my average cost. I'm at 34 now. CHPT, ChargePoint. Like I say, this is another one down to 570. I'm going to go chart it out and see how I'm going to do with that one. It's another one I'm going to start doing. I'm going to have me a selection of stocks that I'm going to be swing trading. WMT, got the 121.68. Walmart. Time this pullback, I buy. Add a couple more onto it. They got a 52-week high of like 137 bucks. Ticker FLO came down to $9. I put a buy limit order there for $100 worth. Right now I got a 52-week low of $8.94 with a high of 2023. Dividend yield 10.87%, and they hike their dividend every year. But right now they going through some difficulties with the company. But they got a new president in there, so we're going to see if that's going to turn around. Got a female in there. OXLC got down to 830 today. You'll get me a share of that, 830 at that price. Not loading up on it. Just want to stay around the market price. GIS, General Mills, came down to $43.15. Dividend yield right there be $5.58, what it is now. I'm going to probably make my X, but it is a dividend play to keep. If you just want a nice dividend, I'd be more greedy if I wanted for a dividend plays other things I do. Sorry, we done did earn. Wendy's, WEN, down to 709 today. Go pick you up some of that. Yielding right now at 9.37%. Horizon Technology had bad earnings, got down to 453 today. Go get me $2 worth of that price. It's going dollar cost average on in. They reduced their dividend from 11 cents a share to 6 cents a share every month. And I'm going to try to swing trade it too. PFLT, $8.23. It's got down to, pays 10.2 cents a share. A little bit of that. YMAG. Just want to show y'all if y'all did want to snag up some, get you $2-3 worth. You ain't got to load up. Every little bit helps. When you ain't watching, you'll be knocking down your average calls. MED, stay out of this one. It's MetaFast. I'm trading myself up out of it. Y'all can stay out of this one. It's like it's going back green now. TCPC. Another one I would say to y'all stay out of. These BDCs are getting whipped, man. So BDCs and REITs. So I'm gonna be sticking to a lot of ETFs, like you might have heard me say in the past. Stuff dealing with the S&P 500 and the Magnificent Seven. The NASDAQ, I'm gonna do this one here. I'll be buying this every day, lowering my average cost. $21.93. Jump, get me another 5 shares at that price. This pays out every week. Some IWMY. $15 worth at that price. Also pays out every week. I'm gonna give you COF. Got down to $192.22. 52-week high is $260. We'll get you some of that. Remember, Amazon and Netflix are also, and Hood are two other ones to watch. Not on my buy list today. Finish up this trade and we can get on out of here, man. You won't hold you long. Making sure there's nothing I didn't miss that I might want. They got ticker AFCG is up today. Went up to 272. I got an average cost at 290. Okay, Nike came down today some more, 57.94. Gonna lower your average price. This is the time to do it. Where we at? Nike. Be sure I go get that in another portfolio. Morgan Stanley down 2.53%. You gotta treat Morgan Stanley like Walmart. Anytime it's down or pull back, I go get me $3 worth. TFSL, $14. At 14.76, leave that alone. Healthcare REIT, 15.35. I'm at 16. What's the dividend yield? 5.48%. 18.97 is the 52-week high. I'm about getting tired of these REITs. Like I said, they're doing a lot of dividend cuts. 5%, 18.97. I'm about to put a sell order in. I can get a high yield somewhere else. If I'm gonna keep it, you're not gonna get no growth out of this. 13, 18.97. Nah, I'd be fine with that. I can get a 6% yield from somewhere else. But it's still not a bad REIT to have. Got a market cap of 6.4, so the dividend is probably safe, right? Very, very safe. But I'd rather put that in YMAG and get me a dividend every week if I'm gonna keep it for a dividend play. Time to retire early. The 6% yield is better than the S&P 500. The IAT, this is the bank ETF. You got a 52-week high of 6304. 2.61% yield. This popular because you get access to all of these banks. The U.S. Bank, Truist Bank, M&T, Citizens Bank, First Citizens Bank, PNC, Fifth Third, Huntington Regions, and Key Bank. Disney haven't brought any of this in a while. What's the 52-week low now? It just made a new 52-week low, so meaning Disney is sinking. But one thing about it, like I tell you, if you own a Disney stock, you wouldn't have been getting a dividend. That's why I say I'm not going to buy any. I'm going to just watch it, and I'm going to get that dividend and keep it moving. I'm down $78. I recoup that 78, and then I start going back into it. I got to go get my SPYT, SPYT. SCHF, this the Schwab International ETF. Got this on the dollar-day recurring also. Time it pull back, get you a little discount. That's 2.45%. Got SVOL. Charge point, we got that. Well, Bull trading that. Bull must be getting whooped today. Bull at 580. LFGY, these pay out every week. It's what you want, these weekly payers. Bybit, Bitcoin down 2.16%. Got that on $1.25 a day recurring. Will pick me up a little bit more of that, knock down that average cost. ULTY made a new 52-week low. It's at 33.16. Today's low 33.12. 52-week low 33.12. So what I'm gonna do at this? Got this on recurring $2 a day. I might take that off and I'm gonna just leave it there. Let it just reinvest that into it and keep it moving. Only down 1.52% after having a good day. Don't leave that alone. Let that come back down. And Misty MicroStrategy trades with Bitcoin. A little bit of discount here. Got this on recurring investment also. Russell 2000, 1.62%. All right, go back there. A little discount right there. That pay out every week also. This I2 also pays out every week. For the Russell 2000. I see I got a bunch of them doing the same thing, so I'm going to cut some of them off when they go up and just keep one or the other. All right. H2O is a water stock I added on, so I'm going to just monitor that and dollar cost average on in it. I'm up, so I'm going to leave it alone. Biggie and XOXY is two I just added on to it on a dollar-day recurring. Just started it out, so just monitored it 64.51, maybe 65. Yep, so that's about it, man. CITA, we can get on out of here. It's ETF, That's the aerospace one. All right. And that is about it. Look out for ACHR. Like I tell y'all, I'm going to be hitting some swing trades on this one. So, signing off. Go get your money.